Hello and welcome. You're watching HCN News Bulletin. I'm Kendra Souza and now let's take a look at the top stories. A brother killed his own brother at Raya village on Sunday as a result of a dispute over their residential house. Margaon police immediately swung into action and arrested Agnello Gaunkar over a drunken brawl. In a daring daylight robbery, 3 bungalows have been burgled at Maddel, Thivim. This has been the 9th incident of daylight robbery at Thivim. One of the bungalow owners said that the robbery is a follow-up event. Former Minister Ravi Naik, who is all set to contest the North Goa seat in spite of pending an official announcement, has been implicated in drug nexus case as well as corruption charges. Now the news in detail. After consuming liquor, 2 brothers ended up in a brawl which led to the killing of one of them. The incident occurred at village Raya on Sunday. Police stated that the argument was regarding a dispute of their residential house.
Margaon police immediately swung into action and arrested Agnello Gaunkar, 28, for murder of his brother Jose Caetano Gaunkar, 42, over a drunken brawl. Maina Kurtorim PI Gurudas Kadam gave more details.
Maina Kurturi police station has registered a murder case yesterday against one Agnello Gaunkar, resident of Harlem, Raya. This Agnello has committed murder of his elder brother, Mr. Jose Gaunkar, by hitting an iron crowbar on his head. And it was instantaneous death. The crime was committed in his residential house only. The deceased was alcoholic and he used to harass the family members physically and mentally. So out of irritation, yesterday there was some scuffle between them and the accused assaulted him, wherein the deceased succumbed to the injury sustained. We have arrested the accused person and the weapon involved in the offence also has been recovered. Today the postmortem is being conducted and the further investigation is in progress.
Guilherme Almeida with cameraman Santosh Mirarskar for HCN.
In a daring daylight robbery, 3 bungalows have been robbed at Maddel, Thivim. This has been the 9th incident of daylight robbery at Thivim. One of the bungalow owners said that the robbery is a follow-up event and has said that the incident has disturbed the peace of minds of the residents.
Pirsab Kwaza, one of the bungalow owners, said that the police needs to be patrolling and that the culprits need to be caught and punished as several bungalows have been burgled in this colony.
It's a follow-up घटना जाल्ली आसा. आमचे 26 तारखेच्या रात्री जाल्या उपरांत आमकां दिसलेलें की हांगा पुलीसची गस्त वाडटली आनी पीपल वील बी मोर अलर्ट एंड वी वील गेट मोर सिक्युरिटी. पूण इंस्टेड ऑफ आमचो प्रॉब्लम अजून सॉल्व जावंकूच ना वायल दे आर वर्किंग ऑन इट. Another not one but 4 incidents in a row. One yesterday and three right? Three tonight. It is disturbing and it has almost taken away the peace of the residents of this colony. I think it's high time that the police do something about it and give the citizens the kind of security that they deserve, because they can look only to the police for the security as their right, and if they don't get it and if things continue like this, I think it's going to be very difficult, not only for this. Today it has happened in this colony, it can happen in any other colony, and continuously happening in multiple bungalows on one night speaks itself of the fearlessness with which these culprits and criminals are moving in the city, and nobody is holding them responsible. So I appeal to the law and order abiding citizens also and law and abiding forces also to do their best and let the people live.
President of Fast Colony said that they have already requested the police to do patrolling and give safety and security to the people of this colony. He also said that they will also discuss regarding installation of CCTV cameras.
मला कितें केन्ना तशी चोरी जानाशिल्लें काय जानाशिल्लें हांगा आनी आतां पळयलां न्ही पळय आतां पयले खोजागीर जाली तेंचे 10 लाख रुपये घेऊन गेले 5 लाख रुपया आणि आता पळयला आता काल रात्री 3 चोरी जाले आणि काल सांजे आमी पोलिसीकडे गेले की बाबा तुम्ही पेट्रोलिंग हांगा करिना म्हणून ते कितें म्हणटा आमी पेट्रोलिंग करता रातचे पण आमकां जर दिसना ते करता अशें पण त्यामुळे हांव तुमकां एक कितें रिक्वेस्ट करता की गव्हर्मेंटाक मातशें एक सांगपाचें की आमचे कॉलनीत चड आतां सिक्युरिटी वाडोवपाची म्हणून इतलें म्हाजी एक तुमचे कडेन एक मागणी आहा आनी आमचे हांगा लोक कितें सामके पिसफुली रावतात आतां हे डिस्टर्बन्स जालें आमकां आतां हे अशें जावन उपकारना
हांव 8:30 उदक घालून पळयला न्हू म्हाज्या गिटीचे जायी तेंचे कशें शेणले आतां दीस म्हणून हांवें ते दुर्गा वयल्यान उडकी मारले आनी हेवटेन लक्ष मार जाल्यार तेंचे एका दाराक लॉक नासले लॉक ना म्हणटकूच हांवें कितें केलें तो शॉपवालो आसा ना ताका वचून सांगलें थंय तो आनी मागीर आमी येयली कोंकणकार येयलो तेंच्यांनी पळोवन मागीर ते आमी दार अशें मातशें ओपन आसलें तें आमी दार ओपन करून भितर येवन पळयताले सगळे तेंचे ते सगळे भायर उडयला काडून
हो कोण हो पात्रांवाचें नांव कितें
पात्रांवाचें नांव हे अच्युतन
खंयचो
तो केरळाचो आतां म्हयनो जालो केरळाचो
तो आतां ना घरान
ना
आसलो
रिटायर जाला ना तो
आनी खंय आसले ते आतां
ते हांगाच आसली म्हणल्यार ते रिटायर जाला म्हणून आतां एका म्हयन्यान ती गांवान गेली आपल्या
Prakash Gadekar for HCN.
Contradicting its own mantra about choosing its candidates with clean image for the forthcoming elections, former Minister Ravi Naik, who is all set to contest the North Goa seat pending an official announcement that he has been implicated in a drug nexus case as well as corruption charges.
Ravi Naik is also expected to be summoned by the anti-corruption branch in connection with a job scam. House panel report also stated that he was actively involved in the drug trade with drug mafia leader and Israeli national Yani Benaim and that he shielded his son. Besides drug issues, an anti-corruption branch of the Vigilance Department have also registered 2 separate FIRs for alleged recruitment scam in the animal husbandry and veterinary services and cooperative societies against him and former department officers. Bureau Report, HCN.
The headmistress of Royal High School Taligaon has moved a local court seeking anticipatory bail in connection with a complaint registered against her for allegedly harassing the students and teachers.
Maria Afonso, the headmistress of Royal High School Taligaon, has been booked under relevant sections of the IPC and Goa Children's Act 2003 for physically and mentally harassing the students as well as the school staff. The matter will be heard before the Children's Court on April 1st, 2014, while Panjim police have already registered an FIR against her, taking into cognizance a complaint filed by the Parent Teachers Association alleging that she has been continuously harassing and ill-treating the children. She has also been accused of forcing a child to wash the school toilet since the student had been late for class. Bureau Report for HCN.
Now let's take a short break. We'll be back soon. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Bringing all women enthusiasts for a drive along Goa's scenic coastal belt was an event organized by Autobus Goa. The rally was flagged off from Quinta de Valadares. There was a total of 25 participants for the event. Several auto companies were also showing off their latest products at the location, which was held on March 16th. The event was organized in association of Quinta de Valadares, Verna.
Well, this is about Autobus Goa's first edition of the Women's Drive 2014. Never been done in Goa before. Well, in the morning, we start off with a drive starting at Quinta de Valadares, again who are our co-sponsors. We drove down, the event was flagged off by
Percy Coutinho,
RTO Inspector, along with
Mr. Desai,
who
is the Assistant
Director of Transport. The convoy of 25 cars, we drove down to Kapderam and back to Quinta de Valadares, followed by lunch, music, a lot of activities, and there was even on display a nano, which most of the participants could paint on, or rather they painted on. Apart from them, there were Fiat and Tata dealers by Auto Industries Goa on display, and also Renault, they were on display. After lunch, we had an obstacle course which was designed by Amod Saduskar, national rally champion. So basically, the women had a great time. The lady with the fastest lap won a cash prize of close to 5,000 rupees.
Ryan Rodriguez, the manager operations of Autobus Goa, said that this was the first ever event held in Goa. He also said that the event will be held every year. He further mentioned that many more participants will join this women's car drive in the next episode of this event.
We have organized this event today on the 16th of March, which is the Women's Drive 2014, in association with Quinta de Valadres and held here at Verna. And basically the event has been a scenic drive from Quinta de Valadres to Cap de Ram, where we had a photo shoot for the participants, back to Quinta de Valadres, where we had lunch followed by activities like dancing, singing, and post lunch we had a car painting competition wherein Auto Industries Goa put up a Tata Nano for painting, and after that we had a obstacle course which was very interesting. A lot of participants enjoyed the obstacle course. Looking at the response we've had this time, yes, definitely we are planning to have this event on a much bigger scale next year, and we hope to get a better response. This time we've had about 25 cars. We are looking at least about 100 vehicles possibly next year.
Alfred Fernandez for HCM.
The third festival of Khel Tiyat was organized by the Tiyat Academy of Goa, which was held recently at the open air auditorium at Ravindra Bhavan, Margao. 10 groups participated in the 3 days competition, which was witnessed by a large audience.
Khel Tiyat Sangshitu by Jack Rodson was adjudged the best Khel Tiyat at the third festival of Khels 2014 organized by Tiyat Academy of Goa at the Ravindra Bhavan, Margao from 11th to 13th March 2014. Theatrist Jess Fernandez and singer Osvi Vegas were the judges for the competition. Portuguese Passport by Cecil de Benaulim received the second prize, while Corre Cristão by Collie Col de Velim bagged the third. And Kazar Kele Kobar Zale by Luis Xavier Mascarenas bagged the consolation prize at the Khel Tiyat 2014. Tiyat Academy of Goa President Prince Jacob said traditional Khels were Goan culture and needs to be saved. He said Tiyat Academy of Goa will soon organize a workshop for all Khel Tiyat artists.
बेस बरी कातारां घालतात आनी हातूंतल्यान कलाकार तयार जातात आनी हेच कलाकार मागीर आमकां माचयेर दिसतात. काल हांगासर कॉम्पिटिशन आमचे भाग घेतला. सगळे मेळून 10 जमनी वेले खेळ हांगा आमकां भाग घेतल्यात. हातूंतले 2 खेळ कायद्या प्रमाणे भायर पडटात. ते भायर पडले कारण तांकां मार्क दिवंक जायना. तांणी ब्लोईंग इन्स्ट्रुमेंट घालूंक ना आनी कायदो सांगता की 2 तरी ब्लोईंग इन्स्ट्रुमेंट आसूंकूच जाय. पूण त्या भुरग्यांक हांवें भायर दवरूंक ना, तांकां परफॉर्म करूंक दिलें कारण त्या भुरग्यांची उमेद आसली ती म्हाका मोडूंक नाका आसली. इश्टो, ही परंपरा आमची चालू उरोंक जाय कितलो सोबीत ही कला आर्ट ती आमची जितले हांगासर भाग घेतल्या तांचे खातीर एक खास वर्कशॉप करून हाडटले आनी तातूंत ताका शिकयतली आदले खेळ कशे करताले त्या प्रमाणे करूंक तोच करूया म्हणून मागता जरी कोणें आयज भाग घेतला तितल्यांनी तुमची नांवां फोन नंबर आमचे लागीं आसा तुमकां लागून खास वर्कशॉप करूया आनी ही परंपरा चालू दवरुया कारण आमच्या फाटल्यान तुमी येवंक जाय आनी कोंकणी पाक सांबाळूंक जाय.
Theatrist Salvador Afonso and his troupe celebrated the Diamond Jubilee show of his season's Khel Theatre on Saturday at Gomant Vidyaniketan, Margao. Dignitaries for the Diamond show congratulated theatrist Salvador Afonso for their achievement. They included theatrist C. De Silva, theatrist Cyril Andrade, teacher Bara Lukapure, and social activist Peter Figueredo and George Barreto.
देव बरें करूं म्हणटा हो म्हजो ल्हानसो वावर तुमी पळोवंक आयलेले ह्या खातीर सांगपाचें म्हळ्यार हें जावन आसा म्हजें 33 वर्स 3 वर्सां भोंवतात हांव खेळ बरोवंक लागल्यार जेन्ना हांव मायणा कुडतरीच्या सेंट रिटा हायस्कुलांत शिकतना जेन्ना 8वीच्या वर्गांत आसलो आनी जेन्ना हांवें बरोवपाक सुरवात केली आनी गोंयचे आकाशवाणी वेल्यान आडवो आनी विडवो ह्या नांवाखाल लोकां काणी हांवें सादर केली तेन्ना म्हाका खूब उमेद जाली बरोवंक.
आमचे गोंयांत दोगूय जाण कोंकणी भास सांबाळटात एक जावन आहा हे तियात्रिस्ट भाव आनी दुसरे जावन आहा आमचे पाद्री भाव. आमचे गोंयांत तुमी जाणा आतां जायते घडटा आमचे कोंकणी भाशे लागून देखून हांव मागता तुमचे थंय तशेंच आमचे थंय आमी मागता कित्याक आमी एक आदार दिवचो तुमी चोवपा येवपाचे आनी आमी तियात्र बरोवपाचो आमचो कोंकणी भास ही आमी वयर दवरचे म्हूण हांव काळजांतल्यान तुमकां सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं.
बावा एगो सोडून वेताय काडी मोचे रोले सोदा सागताना मी आमचे जिवीत सांगलेली बावा तुम्ही वचो नाका सोदाचे गांव सोदान आमी सांगात रावया हे सगळें कितें दुनिया हांवूच नको हे सगळें आमच्या घराब्यान घडटा आनी कितें घडपाचें आसा पळय तें हांवूच नको.
Guilherme Almeida, Santosh Mirajkar and Savio Diaz for ECN.
People of the state is all set to celebrate the spring event of the Shigmotsav, beginning with Holi, the festival of colors. The Holi celebration began with a Holika bonfire on the night of March 16th, with participants singing and dancing and expecting to burn all evils in the fire.
Rang Panchami, also known as Holi, began from morning with plenty of use of colored powders and water. While some people also carry water guns and water-filled balloons for their mock water fountains. People enjoy the festival of colors by coloring each other irrespective of their caste and religion. Holi, a festival of colors, is played in Goa with great joy and enthusiasm. It is festival of colors or a part of entire spring festival celebrations. Young and old play Holi with colors and there is plenty of music, dance and sweets. People also visit the neighborhood with families and friends to greet them with good wishes.
रंग बरसे फीके चुनर वाली रंग बरसे सोने की थारी में जो ना परोसा सोने की थारी में जो ना परोसा अरे सोने की थारी में हाँ सोने की थारी में जो ना परोसा अरे खाए गोरी का यार बलम तर से रंग बरसे और रंग बरसे भीगे
Noted Konkani activist and writer Uday Bemre has warned that the battle against the government's medium of instruction policy is far from over. He said the movement will continue till the government effects changes in the policy in line with the universal policy of imparting medium of instruction in the mother tongue.
He was speaking at a function held to honor him with Bangralo Goinkar Jivan Siddhi for his lifetime achievement in the field of Konkani and his role for Konkani cause and the opinion poll at the Ravindra Bhavan, Margaon. Chairman of the Ravindra Bhavan, Damu Naik, felicitated Uday Bemre and said that the Konkani activist was recognized for his yeoman service in the field of Konkani.
की ज्या गोयच्या कोंकणी खातीर तुम्ही झगडले, ज्या गोंयच्या खातीर तुम्ही राबले, ज्या गोंय खातीर तुम्ही येदी व्हडली मांडावळ केली, जी अस्मिताय जागयली, जे दायज दवरलें राखलें त्या खातीर तुमकां सलाम. हो आयज सगळो जो लोक तुमच्या खातीर बसला त्या खातीर तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकारतात. तुमचे कडेन आनीकय जायतें करपाचें आसा, हांगा तुमी थांबपाचें ना. ही 74-75वी पंटी तुमी पेटयल्या. म्हाका दिसता तो दीस आमी पळोवपाक रावया. तुमी हांगा 100वी पंटी पेटयतले त्या वेळाचेर तुमच्या
Guilherme Almeida with cameraman Santosh Mirajkar for HCN.
Holi was celebrated with traditional pomp and religious fervor in the commercial capital on Monday. Holi revelers went round the city after offering prayers to Lord Damodar at the Pimpalkata, Margaon.
The Hindu Yuva Sangh, which had been hosting the Holi festivities since the last 25 years, organized the festival with gaiety. Atul Vellekar gave more details.
मडगांव हिंदू युवक संघटनेन फक्त 5 जाणांनी ही होळी सुरू केल्ली 25 वर्सां पयलीं आनी मागीर ही आमी कंटिन्यू केली. गेली 25 वर्सां आमकां मडगांवकाराचो एका बरो प्रतिसाद मेळटा आनी म्हाका जाल्यार दिसता ह्या होळी वयल्यानूच मडगांवच्या लोकांनी आपल्या आपल्या घराघरांनी होळी करपाक सुरू केली. म्हणून आमी आमगेली 25 वर्सां मनयता आनी तेतूंतलो एक आमचो सिनियर समीर पाटेकार हो आमचो ह्या फाटी अध्यक्ष जाल्लो आसा. हेणी ती होळी सुरू केल्ली आनी हे सिनियर आसा ते सगळे वचून आतां आमी नवे सगळे यूथ आसा तांकां भितर घेतल्यात आनी अंदू वर्सां आमी 5 दिसाचो प्रोग्राम घडोवन हाडला मडगांवकाराचे खातीर. आनी हितून आमकां पयले दिसा आमी साईबाबाचे नाटकाचो प्रयोग दवरलो भुरग्यां खातीर. तसोच दुसरे दिसा फॅन्सी ड्रेस आनी डान्स कॉम्पिटिशन, तिसरे दीस ग्रूप डान्स कॉम्पिटिशन आनी चवथे दीस दवरलो म्युजिकल प्रोग्राम. आनी आज हेची सांगता जाता राती होमकूंड जालो हांगा तुमी पळयलां आसतलें. आयज तो नॉन गोवन एज वेल एज गोवन लोकांचे आमी नाल्ल घालपाक फॅमिली लोक येतात. कमीत कमी आमकां दिसता हजारांनी लोक हांगा नाल्ल दवरतात. सो होलूचो आमचो 25 वर्साचो प्रोग्राम बरो जालो आनी अशेंच लोकांनी आमकां हातभार घालचो आनी आमची होळी बऱ्यान बरी जावची. हॅप्पी होली.
Guilherme Almeida with cameraman Santosh Mirajkar for HCN.
Mashnanche Gade, being part of the traditional Shigmotsav, was organized with religious fervor at Pilgaon, Bicholim on Sunday. The festival is celebrated in the evening on the day of the Holi festival near Sri Shantadurga temple.
फाल्गुन शुक्ल द्वादशीपासून गड्यांक सुरू जाता. पयले गडे ब्रह्म्याकडे 2 दीस दुसरे चोरींचे आनी चतुर्थ दिसा होळयेचा लाकड्यांचे गडे म्हणून सातवे दिवाळी पडटा. आनी त्याच्या नंतर रातचे हांगा शांतादुर्गा देवळा कडेन गडे पडून ते दुसऱ्या दिसा सकाळी मांडार येता. गड्यांक भायर घालून रातभर ते मया नारव्या धबधब्यार तशेंच स्मशान भुमीर वचून ते दिसून मसना करता. गडे हे महादेवाचे गण असून ते स्मशानापासून पश्चिम भस्म आणतात आणि सकाळी आपल्या आंगाचे भस्म पासून ते मनात येतात. दुसरे दिसा ही हाडलेली मसना तशीच ती देवळात मातेच्या देवळात बाय आसा ते बायन पुरून व्यवस्थित दवरतात, ताका लागून लोकांक कसोच त्रास जावंक शकना. आणि हो जो उत्सव आसा लोकोत्सव आसा तो गांवचे सगळे लोक एकठांय येवन साजरे करतात.
मसनां हाडूंक गेले, मसनां मेळपूय ना, मागीर आमी दुसरे कडेन गेले, थंय आमकां कितें बारीक हे मेळ्ळें, ते घेतले आमी येयले हांगासर 6:30-7 म्हणल्यार पावले सकाळचे. पूण आमकां थंय आमी सगळे हे करता हे 9 जाली. आमचे थोडे 7 जाण कडेन लिपयले, तांकां मागीर पूर्ण आमी सोदून हाडले बाकीच्यांनी. मागीर 10:30
And before we wind up, here's a look at the headlines once again. A brother killed his own brother at Raya village on Sunday as a result of a dispute over their residential house. Margaon police immediately swung into action and arrested Agnello Gaunkar over a drunken brawl. In a daring daylight robbery, 3 bungalows have been burgled at Maddel, Tivim. This has been the 9th incident of daylight robbery at Tivim. One of the bungalow owners said that the robbery is a follow-up event. Former Minister Ravi Naik, who is all set to contest the North Goa seat in spite of pending an official announcement, has been implicated in drug nexus case as well as corruption charges. That's all from our side. Stay tuned to HCN. Take care and goodbye.